Hi, I'm Ben from Matter Solutions. I'm the director here at the agency, and I'm the one doing the talking at the digital breakfast that we're running today. We've got a whole bunch of business owners. It's a nice small group, so we're going to get into some specifics about their individual businesses.
I came in today because I work in social media safety, so I'm into locking everything down and getting everything really nice and tight. And for me, marketing, which I used to do, is actually it breaks my brain. It's totally opposite to the way my brain works now, so I needed a bit of help with that.
Well, I'm the business development manager for what we do, and my approach has always been call people, email people directly. And while that's effective, there is so much you can do, so much can be working for you when you're not working out there in the digital marketing space if you do it properly. It's rather than me picking up the phone and cold calling people, it's going to generate leads for me that I can react to, rather than going out and just stabbing in the dark. This will generate really good quality leads for us.
I came along today because I'm a startup business. I didn't want to waste time and money going down the wrong avenue for it. So it was mainly just to come and get ideas, which were absolutely amazing. He was very thorough. He's obviously done it many times before and he knows what he's talking about. So it's excellent.
I think today's session was awesome. Every question I had has been answered. There's been a lot of aha moments, stuff that I thought I sort of kind of knew, but ended up really understanding what I need to do and some steps that I can take to really get our digital marketing up and going again.
It was a lot of information and it's kind of my head swimming a little bit, but it made perfect sense. So yeah, loved it.